We're about to drop the ginger in. So now you see Alicia cut up the ginger. It no matter if you cut it big chunks or small chunks, the blender go do the chopping for you, so it's all good. We're going to add with lime juice now. We're going to add with lemon juice. Yeah, we're going to add with water. Right, so see we add with water then now, that say a cup and a half. Alright. Now we're going to add with brown sugar. So that 1 cup and a little bit. We'll add all of that in there. Yeah. Just like that. Now we add with prune juice. Yeah. We add with prune juice, 1/2 cup. Alright. I see him so the thing set. And if you are seeing the background, I don't know if you can read that, but they say in this kitchen, Chef Tishan is the boss. See him so you go. Yeah, my daughter gave me that for I think it was a Christmas present. Maybe birthday, but one out of them two there. Yep, I saw the thing set. So alright, now we are gonna close up the blender. We are gonna close up the blender. And we are gonna blend. Go on now, Alicia. Yeah. Yes. So